Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the for loop. Okay, so this loop is the most famous loop which is available in almost every language. So Python is indifferent. Okay, so we have the for loop in Python as well. So just to get started, let's create a list. Okay, so you guys have saw my last video, I did show you guys how to create lists with the list and the range function. So let's use them to create a list. I'm gonna call numbers. Okay, let's call the list function and the range function, and let's create a list with 10 numbers. Okay, so I have this numbers list as you guys can see. Okay, so I'm gonna iterate over this list and I'm gonna multiply each number by 2. Okay, so we're gonna see 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. So we're gonna use the for loop. We're gonna call for, and we're gonna use for as a for each loop, which is available in languages such as C sharp. Okay, so if you guys know C sharp, then we're gonna use this kind of loop in which we're gonna assign a object to iterate over this list. So as you guys can see, numbers is the plural because we have more than one number. So because we're gonna access each number, we're gonna create a variable called number, which will represent every number in each step. Okay, so we're gonna use the keyword in because we're gonna iterate over the numbers list. So that's all. Okay, we're gonna use these two points to tell the Python interpreter that we have finalized this body. We're gonna now enter another indentation level. Okay, so as you guys can see, my cursor is right here. So I am on an indentation level. Okay, so let's call print, which we're gonna show the number. We're gonna access the number and we're gonna multiply by 2. So that's all we're gonna do. Okay, so pay attention to that. So I'm gonna explain more slowly a little bit. So we have the for loop. We're gonna create we could call sentinel, but I'm not sure if this is the right way to describe it. But this is a variable that only exists within this loop. Okay, so it is a good idea to not have other variable with this name in the same project. Okay, so we're gonna iterate over the numbers and we're gonna take each number, multiply by 2, and show on the screen. So let's run this. And as you guys can see, we did that. So the first number is 0. 0 times 2 would be equal 0. 1 times 2 would be equal 2. 2 times 2 would be equal 4, and so on. So that's how you could use the for loop to iterate over a list. But you also could use the range function with for, which is most commonly used. So let's do that. We usually use I, okay, because integer and range, which is our function. Let's specify nothing, that just put 100 here, and let's print each number. So let's do that. And what we're gonna happen is that we have printed out all the numbers starting from 0 to 99. Okay, so that's all. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it, and I'm gonna see you guys next time.